Hi. Hi, Nisha. I'm gonna go ahead and start this meeting in about the next minute or so. I don't think we will have too much participation today just because I know some people and a few other folks are traveling today. Uh, So with that being said, we'll end up keeping this a bit brief just because some of these other topics I would like to have a few more members discussion and their input over. So I will probably post something in the Discord chat. The original maker uh, or original person who had the idea, they are working on something else at the moment, so they'll need a few days. And I figured, given the event, that'd probably be best. So I'll most likely move those topics to next week. But before I go ahead and get started, were there any topics anyone would like me to add to today's agenda? Anything that they would like to share? If you can't come off mute, that's fine. Feel free to post it in chat. Uh, if nothing,
Yeah.
then I will. Oh, okay.
Okay, so um, there's like one PR that is like currently under draft. So let me share it. Mm, okay, so this PR basically focuses on improving the serialization for the transaction. Um Basically, it introduced the support for adding multiple node account IDs and the support for the chunk transaction. So it is almost completed. There are like some tests remaining, but I like if I get some output on that.
Okay, so this is ready to be reviewed then, despite it being in draft.
Yeah, just
Okay.
there are like some test cases, but it is like almost ready.
Okay. Not a problem. I'll take a look at this today. Okay. And any other topics from anyone? Okay. I will go ahead and get started. Nothing too major. Just want to say that a few PRs have merged. We do have PRs coming in for automation, so keep on the lookout for those. Those automation flows are coming from other SDKs as well. So if you'd like to see how they'll work in real time before that PR comes in, please make sure to take a look at those SDKs. C++ and I believe the website also have a few of these implemented already. Uh, Despite the automation, I have not heard any major updates regarding the hips. As of right now, we are still waiting to continue work with 1195 and 1340. My biggest recommendation is just to keep an eye out for the Discord channels. Once any information or updates become available, that is where they'll be shared. Beyond that, I don't believe there were any other topics that I wanted to bring up. Well, okay, Manish, I think Aditya has a question for you in chat when you have a moment.
Uh,
But,
yeah.
oh, go ahead.
So the improvement is needed basically because in the previous serialization, what is happening that the transaction, if multiple node IDs are set, then when we like serialize it to the bytes and then again deserialize it, it only retrieves the first node account ID, and that can be like uh, cause some error if that node is out of service or some other issue happened to that. And second issue is that um, when we serialize the chunk transaction, mostly what it does, it only serialize the first chunk. So if we have like 14 chunks, only the first chunk gets serialized, and that is the one that is getting executed, and the 13 remaining one are just neglected. So that is the reason for like the improvement. Okay.
Thank you so much, Manish, for that explanation. Were there any other topics or questions anyone had? Again, this is going to be pretty brief, just seeing as how the participation for today. There will be a bit more to discuss next week, so please stay tuned for that if you can. Um, but anything else anyone would like to share? Comments, ideas, or topics? Okay. Well, we can definitely bring that up in the next meeting. I think that might be a topic that I'd like to have more people weigh in on. Okay, yeah, not a problem. Of course, I will take a note of that. I will write that down for next week and add it to next week's agenda. I just want to make sure that any larger conversations, we just have enough of an input from the maintainer team, committer teams. But thank you so much for that. This list will be a bit large for next week, but I know we have a half hour, so I promise it'll be brief. But I think if that is it from everyone today, then we'll go ahead and conclude a few minutes early. I do hope everyone has a great day, night, morning, evening, wherever you are in the world today. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.